Amy from Korean Things.
Hi, I'm Sam.
In the previous video, we learned how to make a WH question with what. Today we'll practice more WH words which are where and why. Where is
어디서?
and why is.
왜?
Let's look at one English question and change it into Korean together. We're gonna change where do you eat a hamburger. As we taught you before, we don't really change a word order when we make a question. What we do is we make a statement first and then put a question mark at the end. And if you want to add a WH word, you can do it at the beginning of the sentence. First, we need
어디서?
where, 어디서. And we don't need to change word order. So we're gonna put subject first. So, 너는, 너는. And we put an object first. hamburger. hamburger. And we need object marker. 를. We need a verb, eat. So eat is
먹다.
먹다 is a dictionary form of eat. And if you want to change it into a speech form, 먹어. Could you read the whole sentence, please?
어디서 너는 햄버거를 먹어?
어디서 너는 햄버거를 먹어? So this is already a grammatically correct question, but we don't really say second person 너는. We usually omit this part, so we're gonna omit 너는, and also we omit object marker 를.
drop it.
를.
네.
Then you can also say like this.
어디서 햄버거 먹어?
어디서 햄버거 먹어? If you want to change this WH word, today we are going to cover why as well. So where's why? Then Korean translation will go like
왜?
Why do you eat a hamburger? Is
왜 햄버거 먹어?
왜 햄버거 먹어? If you want to change this sentence to a formal speech, then you can only add you at the end of the sentence. Then could you read this sentence again, please?
왜 햄버거 먹어요?
왜 햄버거 먹어요? Sam, what is the past form of 먹어? 먹었어. So why did you eat a hamburger? Is
왜 햄버거 먹었어?
왜 햄버거 먹었어? Then what about where did you eat a hamburger?
어디서 햄버거 먹었어?
어디서 햄버거 먹었어? If you want to add a time word such as yesterday is
어제.
So you can put 어제
Yeah.
at the beginning of the sentence. So could you read the whole sentence, please?
어제 어디서 햄버거 먹었어?
어제 어디서 햄버거 먹었어? We can also place a WH word before a verb. Compare two sentences. 어제 어디서 햄버거 먹었어? 어제 햄버거 어디서 먹었어? There's no big difference between two. What about why did you eat a hamburger yesterday? Then we need to convert 어디서 to where. Then the final sentence would be
어제 왜 햄버거 먹었어?
어제 왜 햄버거 먹었어? Now let's try making a future sentence, okay? What is the future tense of 먹어, Sam?
먹을 거야.
먹을 거야. Why are you going to eat a hamburger? Is
왜 햄버거 먹을 거야?
왜 햄버거 먹을 거야? Let's put where at the beginning of the sentence. Then where are you going to eat a hamburger? Is
어디서 햄버거 먹을 거야?
어디서 햄버거 먹을 거야? If you want to add tomorrow, in English sentence tomorrow goes at the end. And tomorrow is 내일. But in Korean sentence, tomorrow goes to the very first. So, where are you going to eat a hamburger tomorrow? Is
내일 어디서 햄버거 먹을 거야?
내일 어디서 햄버거 먹을 거야? Let's change where to why. Then, why are you going to eat a hamburger tomorrow? Is
내일 왜 햄버거 먹을 거야?
내일 왜 햄버거 먹을 거야? 어제 어디서 그 모자 샀어? 어제 어디서 그 모자 샀어? 어제 어디서 그 모자 샀어?
내일 어디서 그 모자 살 거야? 내일 어디서 그 모자 살 거야? 내일 어디서 그 모자 살 거야? 어제 왜 명수 봤어? 어제 왜 명수 봤어? 어제 왜 명수 봤어? 내일 왜 명수 볼 거야? 내일 왜 명수 볼 거야? 내일 왜 명수 볼 거야? 어디서 그 사진 찍었어? 어디서 그 사진 찍었어? 어디서 그 사진 찍었어? 어디서 사진 찍을 거야? 어디서 사진 찍을 거야? 어디서 사진 찍을 거야?